Hello friends and welcome back to Mystical Ventures. So today I'll be showing all my last minute shopping that I do in Mumbai. So here I went towards Malad, and at Malad just opposite station I go to purchase all this imitation jewelry. Then it may be for someone's birthday or Raksha Bandhan gifts and friendship bands. I do the shopping because beach mein I don't know when I'll be going back to Mumbai, so I do it first. So here first thing first, I went to see some nice lovely friendship bands and I got a very nice one. So I got this, the one with the Nazar Battu, that is Evil Eye, and then these also are some of the friendship bands which I picked up, and there were some of this all this imitation jewelry and everything, but I didn't want to purchase because I had some purchases that I had done from the other place. So then after doing my shopping, I always have to land here at this sugarcane ganne ka center. So I opted out as usual अपना मतलब एक ग्लास के साथ दूसरा ग्लास बाद में, because I never make my mind first only, and then as usual I had to tell him to transfer it into a disposable glass because I get rashes on my lower lip whenever I have it in a glass or anyway in a restaurant or hotel. So then after that I went shopping towards this, my family's all-time favorite, yes, that is this not Delhi, the other one, that is Mithai Wale ka pede, laddu and all the dairy products. So यहाँ पे you get all this dahi bada, and then you get samosas and bada and khakra, fafda, handwa, everything, and then this is jalebi, and then that is imalti and all these sweets whatever you want, and then is kachoris and then laddus and each and everything under one roof. So I was this time missing my mom, my sister, because when we come here we like feast on all the sweets. So very soon we'll be all coming as a family over here, and here this is my favorite section because this is all the sweets, all the, you can say all the sweet dishes, that is peda and all balu shahi and all the halwas. Now here these are all the mahim ka halwa, yo ice halwa. So this is all the mahim ka halwa, like we get rose halwa, blueberry halwa, orange halwa, anar halwa, mango halwa, watermelon halwa, kiwi halwa, cranberry halwa, blackberry halwa, like I mean you have everything under one roof. So this is the authentic Mahim ice halwa, and this is pineapple halwa, and very soon I'll be having a vlog on making a halwa, not in this but some flavor, like mostly at home, like my mom has taught me to do is the rose halwa. So I'll be making the Mahim ka rose halwa and I'll show it to you all. And now here, this is my favorite at Kesar Ras Madhuri, that is my favorite, and then even this Dil Bahar, and then there is that Surya Mukhi, and then Kesar Halwa, and this is Kesar Rajbhog, and और किधर गया मेरा दूसरा फेवरेट, ये ऑरेंज चस्का. आई मीन ये खाने के लिए मतलब आई गो क्रेजी, तो सब खा लिया, ठूस लिया, बिकॉज आई एम ऑन अ सोलो ट्रिप, सो आई कैन नॉट शूट माई ओन सेल्फ, बिकॉज दैट बिकम अ वेरी हेक्टिक थिंग. एंड देन आई वेंट टू एज यूजुअल M2, and then even the other one for shopping at these outlets, and I purchased some good outfits. ये देखो फर्स्ट कॉटन से भी खरीद लिया जो भी मेरे को चाहिए था, आई गॉट एवरीथिंग. एंड देन आई वाज वॉकिंग बैक टूवर्ड्स द स्टेशन, एंड देन यहाँ पे सब लोग सच धज के सब मतलब हेमा, रेखा, सुषमा ऑल वेर रेडी, पता नहीं किसके लिए, दिवाली तो ख़त्म हो गई. एंड ये देखिए इधर दुल्हन भी बेचारी सूख गई, बैठ खड़े रह के अभी थक के बैठ गई. एंड या देन दिस इज इनसाइड द नटराज मार्केट एरिया. So like how there is in Dadar East and West. So West is mostly men's section, and East side you get all women's section for all the wedding season ka. And here you get all these dupattas and all these bandhni sarees. I mean this area also, I mean the collection in Dadar is completely different than what you get over here in Malad at Nataraj Market. So यहाँ trendy showroom का भी मैंने, I just captured this for my vlog because full white, it was looking very awesome. And then हो गया मेरा मलाड में जितना मेरा शॉपिंग था, लाइक इमिटेशन ज्वेलरी व्हाटएवर आई वांटेड, एंड देन सम क्लोथ्स, एंड देन आई बैठ गया वापस ट्रेन में. एंड देन आई केम एंड आई स्टॉप्ड एट दादर. सो दादर में थोड़ा always I have taken out to the west side of Dadar shopping, that is a full bazaar and all that market shopping. This time I thought I'll take in the east side because here you get all the wedding का shopping and you get all these sarees and everything. And यहाँ पे मेरे को माधुरी दीक्षित और शाहरुख खान का मतलब ढोलना वाला गाना वो भी टैप पे. This is all the चोर बाजार section, तो I just took it because I'm a crazy fan of that jodi. And this chicken wings I just ate, just 1-2 I ate, but I didn't like the taste, but it is okay, थोड़ा सस्ते में था. And yeah, now this starts all the sari ka market where you get all for the women's section. वो जो शादी का, it may be a Hindu, Christian or even Muslim wedding, everything. And those are the रास्ते पे जो कुर्ते मिलते हैं वहाँ से तो मैंने भी एक खरीद लिया. And yeah, this is all about now this is at the Dadar, the east side, so you get all this blouse, saris, sherwanis, kurtas. मतलब जो शादी का जिसको है ना, मतलब जिसको एकदम आ गया ना ऐसा पूरा लग के, तो इधर आके खरीद सकते हैं. एंड दिस साड़ी आई रियली लव द शेड, पेस्टल शेड. यहाँ से मैंने कुर्ते खरीद लिए, 2-4 खरीद लिए. एंड या दैट्स इट. I think I'm done with my vlogging in Mumbai. So that's all I have done in Mumbai. And यहाँ पे 2-3 कुर्ते, so I had liked this some शेरवानी अंदर नेहरू जैकेट, but they were quoting too much. Though I told them मैं 4 लूँगा, पर फिर भी कम नहीं किया. And दादर आया और मैं ये मतलब ना खाऊँ तो कैसे होगा था, तो खरवस खा लिया. एंड देन दिस मैंगो शेक, मैंगो नहीं, एप्पल जूस भी पी लिया. एंड it was good because बारिश का भी थोड़ा, it was becoming little dark, so I was just like trying to reach back home. And then yeah, I picked some खाने के लिए रात पे, मतलब ये थोड़ा high protein snack. So while coming to Mumbai, I came with this one suitcase, and then while coming back from Mumbai to Goa, I had this 1, 2, 3, 4 bags. So that's all in my today's vlog. So till then, do like, share, subscribe to my channel, Little Mystical Ventures. Thank you.